Saturday, and you guys are probably wondering, right? Why am I up so early? By the way, it's like 7:30ish. I woke up around 6 something, and why am I up so early? Today, we are going to be repainting the Lexus RCF. Now, are we going to be repainting the car a different color? Not really, right? We'll just be repainting the part of the car. Basically, I'm gonna just show you guys something that happened on the car a few days ago, and I'm gonna explain what happened. On a different point in the video, because I am running late to the paint shop. But I'm gonna take you guys to the back of the car and we'll just examine something real quick. Boing! I know, it's not the worst thing, but yeah, guys, my rear bumper got scratched up. And if you guys are wondering, no, it wasn't me. It wasn't me that did it. It was actually my dad, and I'm gonna tell you guys the story after I get to the paint shop because I am running late. All right, guys, but anyways, we are going to start hitting the road. Yo, I'm gonna be honest, guys, I kind of enjoy the peacefulness of the early mornings. Like, I gotta start doing this more often. It's so peaceful. I feel like the air is cleaner, and yeah, just I didn't know early mornings was chill like that. You feel me? Shit, I gotta start doing this more often. Oh my gosh, yo, guys, I swear, this air is so fresh. I love seeing it empty, but it's just so peaceful right now. Well, until I put the car in Sports Plus, and all you hear is fucking crazy. What the fuck? Yo, I wasn't trying to do this shit this early. What? I wasn't trying to do it this morning, but I'm gonna be honest, there wasn't a lot of cars. Wow. Nah, I'm chilling now. What the fuck? Yo, guys, I tell you guys, every single time I'm in this car minding my business, a car starts to get on my ass. That G was on my ass, so like I had to, I wasn't trying to get rear-ended, so I had to go. It's crazy. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna just keep it chill from now on. All right, guys, I'm gonna just keep it mindful from now on, and I'm gonna keep it the mirror, you feel me? Or I'm gonna try to. But what the fuck's going on? What the fuck? Yeah, what's going on? Bro, is this what happens early in the morning? Is this where all the fun is? Should I start waking up at like 6 a.m. every day to film or something? Update, we made it to the place, kind of. It's like around the corner. But we were mindful, we were demure, you know. So yeah, and it begins. So I am kind of nervous, right? Because like I haven't, like, no one has ever driven this car except for me. And you know, obviously this car isn't no ordinary car, you know. It's missing half a steering wheel. But yeah, so and yeah, I don't know. These shops are looking kind of, you know, iffy, like uneven ground and yeah, and whatnot. But yeah, NYC shops for you, right? What can we do? But hey, hopefully everything turns out well. Nervous laugh. All right, guys, so as we wait for the car to get painted, I actually kind of hopped on the ferry, right? And we're in the city, so in New York, concrete jungle. All right, guys, so I was originally not going to film, you know, me walking through Manhattan and shit, but I'm gonna be honest, like, if I see something, I gotta say something. You know what they say in New York, right? And I saw an LC 500, sheesh. And yeah, this shit looks clean. Bro, honestly, I kind of want to walk up to the car. What do you guys think about LC 500s? Like, these are really clean, like really clean. And I know in the future, I said something about I want a C6. I still want a C6, but something about the LC. Okay, guys, hear me out. If I ever sell the RCF for some reason, right? If I ever do sell the RCF, it will be for an LC 500. What do you think, Kat? We need opinions, please, huh? Yeah, right? I'm such a fan, man. If anyone's car this is, if you see your car on YouTube, and if you, yeah, just, it's fire. The LC 500 I just spoke about, right, is right there. And right across the freaking street, I don't know if you guys can see it, right there, there's another one. I don't know, guys, are LC 500s more common than RCFs? I do think they are. But yeah, I'm pretty sure the answer is yes. But like, what? All back to back. This one, on the other hand, is a convertible one. So that's pretty interesting. The other one is hardtop one. You feel me? Hardtop. Yeah, but yeah, that's dope. I'm not going over to this one though, because I'm lazy. You get the point. All right, guys. Since I can't play copyrighted music, this is our song for today. Move, everybody, come on, girl, move. We're talking about you.
What actually do you want to store? I don't think you can move right now. Be back.
All right, guys, so it is the following day and the RCF is completely painted. I picked up the car last night. When I picked up the car, it was nighttime, and obviously it's kind of hard to like see paint at night, so I waited until today to show you guys the results. So I'm gonna show you guys the results of the whole repainted back bumper. We repainted everything, yep, everything. You guys ready? And sheesh, wow. I'm gonna show you guys up close. It's not bad. It's kind of the same consistency as the OEM paint, as you guys can see. I think, yeah, there is some orange peel, but I'm not really too concerned with that. But yeah, guys, the whole back bumper is repainted, and it's kind of interesting because this car is like damn near 10 years old, and I don't think it's ever had a paint job. The paint over here is all fresh, all brand new paint, but the paint on the rest of the car is about almost 10 years old, untouched. Fresh paint, old paint. Fresh paint, old paint. I don't have any scratches. I don't even have swirl marks on this, but I do have swirl marks on the rest of the car. So maybe I should paint the whole car or repaint the whole car. I don't know. So here comes the question. How did the car get scratched up in the first place? And as I said earlier, it wasn't me. So long story short, my dad scratched the car, and y'all are wondering, how did he scratch the car? This is how. After I parked the car, I got out of the car, and when I was exiting the car, my dad took the garage, the door, and he started to pull it down. The car wasn't fully parked, right? I was sticking out like a lot, and I don't think he saw it. Pretty much, he put the door down, and this part pretty much just scraped the rear back, like everything. And all you heard was the most cringiest sound, like, and I was like, fuck. And in my head, I was like, well, I guess the windshield got away. So yeah, guys, that's what happened, and that's why I was like, nah, I gotta repaint the back bumper, because if you guys don't know me as of yet, I only fix things on the car that actually bother me. The windshield isn't really bothering me. I'm gonna be honest, it's starting to bother me, so I am going to fix that soon. But like scratches that you could see on the car, oh my gosh, I just gotta fix it ASAP. So here you guys, that's what happened, and that's why I had to repaint the car. The car is back to normal, or is back to normal. And also, guys, I am planning on getting a paint correction and ceramic coat in the car, so hopefully that should make the paint look even better. All right, guys, I got the car out the garage so you guys can see the paint in full. I'm gonna just walk up, but the paint is a pretty perfect, a close match to the OEM paint. It does look just a lot more wet because, as I said, this is fresh paint, and it's pretty flawless, yeah, so that's why. But overall, guys, it looks perfect. And all right, guys, since this video was kind of a bang, it kind of means we also got to end on a bang. So I'm gonna kind of end on doing a